When a business hits a certain velocity, growth stops feeling like a victory and starts feeling like an operational threat. The simple software that got you to 10 million in revenue suddenly starts buckling under the sheer weight of your transaction volume. Those entry-level systems were built for simplicity, not scale. They begin choking on complex multi-warehouse inventory, struggling with thousands of daily orders, and failing to connect with APIs. The traditional escape route is migrating to a massive proprietary platform like Oracle or Microsoft Dynamics. But that means committing to brutal implementation timelines and immense recurring licensing fees that simply do not fit a scaling budget. This leaves fast scaling operations trapped in a dead zone. You have completely outgrown the starter tools, but you cannot justify the staggering price tag of the enterprise titans. Surviving this critical transition requires finding an enterprise-grade architectural foundation that drops the enterprise-grade pricing model. That specific requirement is exactly what Apache OFBiz was built to satisfy. It is one of the oldest active open-source ERP projects, backed as a top-level Apache software foundation project since 2006. This animated diagram maps the ERP market. On the horizontal axis, we have licensing costs, and on the vertical axis, operational complexity. We see starter systems like Odoo down in the bottom left, and expensive enterprise titans like Oracle in the top right. But OFBiz sits entirely alone in the top left, high capacity, zero licensing cost. Expand that node to find modules covering complex e-commerce, CRM, and multi-level manufacturing routing, all running on a deeply permissive Apache 2.0 license. But here's the catch. OFBiz is not a finished, out-of-the-box application that you simply install and start using on Monday morning. It is a dense, powerful framework that you must build your specific operations on top of. Selecting it removes the financial roadblock of scaling, but directly replaces it with a massive technical barrier. It is a strategic trade-off that requires a very specific type of business to pull off. Imagine a rapidly expanding e-commerce distributor managing hundreds of daily shipments across multiple regional warehouses, all while trying to maintain real-time inventory parity. To handle that level of logistical routing, OFBiz uses a Java-based service-oriented architecture. It splits operations into an entity engine for your data models and a service engine for your business logic. This separation means you can write highly specific multi-warehouse fulfillment rules and custom supplier APIs without ever touching or breaking the underlying core system code. Extracting that architectural value comes with a strict requirement. You must have an in-house team of Java developers or the budget to hire specialized OFBiz implementation consultants. There is absolutely no path to a quick, no-code weekend setup here. The technical learning curve is incredibly steep. This architecture only becomes viable when a business is prepared to treat their operational software as a dedicated, ongoing custom development project. That level of ongoing technical maintenance forces a complete shift in how you evaluate the financial realities of running an ERP. With a traditional proprietary platform, the baseline cost includes punishing six-figure recurring annual licensing fees that scale up exactly as your user count does. The Apache 2.0 open source license wipes that baseline completely clean. The core framework is entirely free to use, modify, and own indefinitely, no matter how large your team grows. This chart illustrates the trade-off. On the left, enterprise systems stack massive recurring fees. On the right, OFBiz requires heavy initial developer investment but zero licensing costs. Over 3 years, OFBiz's upfront cost crosses below the enterprise system's perpetual fees at the 2.5-year mark. You also have to factor in hosting. This heavy Java architecture demands substantial server infrastructure to run smoothly, which carries its own steady monthly premium. Choosing OFBiz represents a financial shift from paying for access to owning your development assets. It trades recurring vendor payments for the permanent ownership of your core operational framework. While the back-end processing power handles incredible volume, the front-end experience presents an entirely different challenge. Out of the box, the system interface is strictly utilitarian. It feels dated, clunky, and entirely focused on function over form. Because you get immediate access to the functional modules, you have to redirect resources to custom front-end development. If you skip this, your employees will actively resist adopting the system. Mitigating that adoption risk requires strict discipline during deployment. The only reliable strategy is a phased rollout, prioritizing a single critical business function, like e-commerce order routing, before touching anything else. The quickest way to stall or entirely tank an OFBiz project is attempting to replace your entire company's operational software all at once in a single massive phase. Compared to lighter options in the open source market, this platform demands the longest, slowest onboarding timeline of them all. Rushing the deployment or forcing your team to use the unpolished default interface virtually guarantees low adoption and a failed initiative. Deciding if you are actually ready to take on that implementation risk requires running your organization through a very strict diagnostic filter. This flowchart starts with your operational reality. Do you process high-volume transactions or require deep API connections? If no, look elsewhere. If yes, do you have a dedicated Java team or budget? Without them, the path ends. Meet both, and you land in success. If you run a 5-person company or want a slick, immediate setup for a basic storefront, deploying this framework is a catastrophic over-engineering mistake. That concludes our deep dive into back-end operational systems. In our next module, we shift focus from heavy logistics to front-end sales optimization, exploring Suite CRM as a powerful alternative to Salesforce. Apache OFBiz trades ease of setup for a specific type of architectural depth designed for high-volume operations. It serves as a bridge for fast-scaling SMEs willing to invest in building their own enterprise foundation.